Henry Ford is teaming up with Free Bikes for Kids again this year. In October, the organization collected 1,400 bicycles at donation sites across Metro Detroit, including Henry Ford clinics. Plenty of bikes, but the organization says they're short on volunteers to help get those bikes ready for the holiday giveaway. So we have a team member who's asking you to pitch in on their behalf. David Gonzalez remembers the first time he put a little girl on a like-new ride.
She might have been about 3 years old, and the huge smile that she had on her face. From that point on, I say, I would do this every year because this is what it's all about.
For the past few years, David has been moonlighting in the Free Bikes for Kids warehouse from October to December. His day job is as a building engineer at one Ford place. When Henry Ford teamed up with the organization that collects and repairs bicycles for underserved kids 3 years ago, David jumped at the chance to volunteer.
I love cycling, I love to work on bikes, and I saw the posting for Free Bike for Kids at the Henry Ford website, so I said, I want to do that.
He did so well, they gave him a paid position, but he donates that money back.
I'm really here to volunteer, even though I'm getting paid, but my heart is volunteer, so if I love to give it back to Bob.
David is known for, he comes here and he is always smiling. You can actually see it underneath the mask.
Free Bikes for Kids Executive Director Bob Barnes says he could use more volunteers like David, especially in these days of COVID.
Because normally we would have corporate groups, large corporate groups come in, but because everybody's working from home, that's not really happening this year.
And that means they're behind when it comes to cleaning up bikes and getting them to David and the rest of the bike mechanics. If you can spare some time, David will greet you with his trademark smile.
If you just have 1 hour, even 30 minutes, you could do it for one day, or you could do it a couple days a week, or even on Saturday.
They're looking for volunteers of all skill levels. You don't have to be a bike mechanic. To find out how you can help and to learn about the COVID precautions that they have in place, go to their website. That's fb4kdetroit.org/volunteer. For Henry Ford Health System News, I'm Dana J.